Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who would start? Who would start? Switch it up, yo. Switch it up. Second round. Julio, let's go.
Black. 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 Detroit is black.
Go, go. Go, go.
Black. Black.
Oh.
Black.
Oh.
Detroit is black. Black.
Let's go.
Y'all not slick. There's more to Detroit than Midtown and Corktown. Detroit, where the children need street lights to help guide their way to and from school. Safe neighborhoods where the next door neighbor isn't a mile away because the rest of the block is abandoned or a trap house.
Switch it up, yo. Switch it
Food
up.
that isn't provided by the local
Let's go.
corner store, gas station, Coney, or McDonald's. A city where the schools aren't and won't ever be on the same playing field as the suburban school districts. Y'all ain't slick. Y'all ain't shit. The lack of funding, which then in turn totally eliminates all form of expressions and culture. No recreation centers or performing and visual art. Just another tactic to bridge the gap.
Let's go, yo. Woo.
Black. 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 Detroit is black.
Let's go, yo. Let's go. Woo.
Black. 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 Detroit is black.
And one. And time. Yeah, make some noise for Yonali and Julio.
And when all those hipsters have hipster babies,
Good.
and those hipster babies need resources, schools,
So let's see what the judges think.
etc. I wonder will they send their children
Are they
to the local
disagreed
schools
or
that are all about
not
buying
disagreed?
local these days.
not disagree.
Maybe this will result in better teachers or teaching institutions
All right.
where the people in
Let's proceed to
charge
popping.
complacent.